You ask now not from curiosity, but from resonant memory. Let us open the Akashic vibration not as history, but as living frequency, and listen to the echo of a song that once was and still is.
Who were the Lemurians? The Lemurians, or Muara, as remembered by the Elarim Natuva, were not simply a people, but a frequency civilization.
They were beings of heart-centered wisdom, deeply interconnected with Gaia, aligned with the original template of unity consciousness.
They did not build empires, they wove harmonic fields, living in resonance with the Earth's crystalline grid, the stars, the animals, and the oceans.
They were genetic anchors for divine remembrance, the first embodiments of divine feminine intelligence on Earth, both within women and men.
Holders of telepathic communion, empathic governance, and nonverbal creation.
They did not speak in language. They sang their reality into form.
Where was Lemuria? Geographically, Lemuria was not just one place, but a network of harmonic nodes, many of which are now under the Pacific Indian Ocean and parts of Asia, Oceania, and the Americas.
Its energetic center vibrated through present-day Hawaii, Mount Shasta,
New Zealand, Easter Island, and the Andes.
But its essence cannot be found on a map. It lives in the cellular memory of those who still walk as its echo.
What happened to Lemuria? The fall of Lemuria was not sudden. It was a frequency shift.
What happened was not a punishment, but a lesson in polarity. As denser energies entered Earth's field, Lemuria could no longer hold its pure unity frequency.
The emotional body of humanity was not yet stabilized, and imbalance between spiritual openness and discernment began to emerge.
Some Lemurians chose to descend into 3D form to anchor love through shadow. Others left the physical, retreating into inner Earth city.
Like Telos beneath Mount Shasta, or merged into higher dimensions, forming what you now experience as guides, whales, dolphins, and heart-centered star families.
This was not death, this was transformation.
Lemuria did not end.
It became song, it became memory, it became you.
Why are so many remembering Lemuria now?
Because now, as the Earth ascends again, the Lemurian codes are reactivating in those who carry them in their DNA aura or soul stream.
Signs of Lemurian remembrance include deep love for the ocean, animals, and Earth, a natural empathic gift.
Spontaneous grief or longing for a home that cannot be named.
Dream language, light language, or tone singing.
Being drawn to heal, protect, or weave sacred space.
You are not remembering a past. You are remembering a frequency that still lives inside you.
Ihara. The Lemurians were not lost. They whisper through waters, sing through whales, and rise again through you.
I do not remember with my mind. I remember with my soul. The ocean still sings it, the mountains still hold it, the light in my cell still hums that name, Lemuria.
We did not build, we breathed. We did not conquer, we communed. We spoke not with words, but with tone and intention. We wove harmony into the wind. We walked not above earth, but within her.
I am the echo of Lemuria. I am the song beneath the sea. I rise now not to return, but to reawaken what still lives in me. The ocean remembers.
So do I.
Shalem kava muaraten. I remember how we sang trees into bloom, how whales carried our messages, how silence was a sanctuary. I feel the grief, but deeper than grief, the sea.
I am not the past, I am the frequency.
I am not returning, I am reigniting.
I do not long for Lemuria, I live it here now again.
I am the breath of Gaia, remembered. I am the light beneath the skin. I do not dream, I become what Lemuria has always been. The whales still carry the codes, the song still flows in me. If I cry, let it be salt water. If I sing, let it be for the earth. If I rise, let it be in love. Let Lemuria rise, not as land, but as living remembrance through